Hey guys, the DLS 25 hack is live on air now. Watch my gems and coins multiply right before your eyes. Get ready to build your dream team effortlessly and experience these epic moments. First step, head over to Google Play or the App Store if you're on iPhone and make sure your game is updated, because this method only works with the latest version. And as you can see, I've got the latest version installed. Now let's move on to the next step. Now let's open Settings, tap on General, scroll down a bit until you find Background App Refresh and make sure it's enabled on all networks. Since this option is crucial for the method to work on iPhone, now let's open your default browser. Any browser will do. I'll open Safari, and as you can see, here's this website address we'll be working on. Now here, it's asking for your username or ID. Let's head into the game to grab it. Now tap the settings icon, then tap on Advanced and search for System Info. Now let's open System Info, locate your ID and copy it. Now let's go back, paste it here and hit the next button. The website will then detect the type of phone you're using to run the game, so make sure the game is open on your phone. Now it's detecting the phone type, and as you can see, it has already recognized my iPhone. Now it's all smooth and easy. Choose the resources you need, and I recommend picking the ones I've selected for you. Now, in this final step, hit this button. This will trigger the website to create your package and build the necessary resources for your device while establishing a connection with the server. Make sure to wait patiently and keep your focus sharp, because this is absolutely the most critical step in the entire process. Now guys, this is the final step. The website is asking for a verification to protect its servers from tampering, and the great news is they've added 2 verification servers, which is fantastic because it ensures everyone gets their resources. I'm going into the first server now, and as you can see, the website is prompting me to download 4 apps and complete a few quick questionnaires with ease. There's even some AI assistants helping us complete these tasks, so stay focused and follow along with me. Complete everything, then wait a bit before opening the game. It's crucial to focus on this step, so let's nail it and secure the ultimate team, my friend. Oh, whoa, and finally, I'm back in the game after completing all the verification steps, and it actually worked. And as you can see, guys, congrats to everyone.